Here is the 2014 to 2018 Kia Forte. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the video. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Open the passenger side door and that glove box over there, we need to open it up and take everything that's in the glove box out because we're gonna take the whole glove box down. There's a dampener arm on the side over there. Just grab the arm and pull it out straight. You have to pull it out, and now once it's out, so just push it in and out of the way. Now there are two stoppers in the glove box which are keeping it in place. There's one over there and the one on the other side. So the way to get it out is just push the glove box in, twist it left, and out it comes. Same process on the other side. Push the glove box in a little bit. Now twist the stopper left and take it out, and out it comes. Now you can lower the glove box down all the way. That is the cover for the cabin air filter. There are two clips on the side. Press one clip and then press the other clip. Now ideally you should be pressing both the clips at the same time, but you can do it the same way I did and you'll be fine as well. And the filter is right there. Just grab the filter and pull it out straight. Let's take a closer look at it. The top side of the filter is dirty because the way it works is outside air comes from the top, all the dirt gets trapped over there, and then clean air flows into the car from the bottom. If you look at the size of the filter, it's a rectangle shape. It looks like it's a square, but it's actually a rectangle. As a useful guide, those folds in there, they'll run left to right when you put the filter back in. Yep, just like that. See that? Position as such and slide it in all the way. Now let's put the cover back on. And now when you're doing so, before you push it on, like before you push the clips on, make sure it's on properly. Make sure everything's on, it's aligned properly. And only then just push it in. One clip, two clip, and you are done. Now let's put the glove box in. Now when you're putting it in, you've got to push the glove box in quite a bit and then get the stopper. And on the stopper you'll notice that one side has like two teeth, like a step on it. So you have to align it with the proper hole, like the proper orientation on the hole on the glove box. So just put the stopper in, then twist it right and locked in place. If you don't do it correctly, all you have to do is just sort of turn the stopper around and then you'll be fine. Because there's only like two ways you can put it in. So you'll be fine. To repeat the process on the other stopper, same thing, and that's pretty much it. Let's not forget to put the dampener arm back on. Pull the arm out, align it, and once it's in place, just push it on, and that is good. Let's try it out. The glove box is working just as it should, and that's pretty much it. See how easy the whole process was? Only took us about 2 minutes. I hope you found the video useful.